I said this pot is looking gorgeous now.
Yes, that's great.
We've
yes.
got tassels, we've got buttons stuck on, we've got a little butterfly,
Yeah, it's
and
good.
all
Yeah.
different textures and colours, and
Good,
it's a garden theme. So can you remember the name of your plant? What type it is?
Yeah,
Lizzie.
not Athenia, no. Lizanthia.
Lysianthus.
Yeah, Lizanthia.
And what are you going to do with that? Are you going to put it inside the pot?
Oh yes, and you go in the sill, on the windowsill, of course. Yeah.
Yes, of course. And tend it. You'll have to check on it each day.
Oh yes, so we'll look after it. Oh yeah.
Water it once a week.
Yes.
So have you enjoyed doing it again?
Oh yes. As I say, it only needs very shallow water to stand in, doesn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then
great.
a little bit on top later on.
Yeah, when it dries, when the soil dries out.
Yeah.
It'll be nice. It'll brighten up your flat, won't it?
Oh yes, yes. It's nice to know it's there anyway, even if I can't see it. Yeah.
Exactly. You can feel it, can't you?
Yeah.